You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Oh, such a beautiful name and very interesting as well, but yes, admittedly a little bit confusing. So this is a name from French originally, pronounced Lucille in French. In English, however, the pronunciation is as Lucille. Lu, the U sound doesn't exist in English, so it's an U. Lucille. C-O. Lucille. The stress goes, a bit on the first, a bit on the second, really, because that's from French, so there's no stress on any particular syllable. So some may say it a bit more as Lucille or Lucille. I think the stress on the "cille" syllable is a bit more common. How do you pronounce it yourself? Lucille or Lucille? I think it's a bit emphasized on both syllables. Lucille. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.